In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change bank account on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options of assigning credit or debit cards or any other payment method to your Roblox account. They will actually allow you to save these payment methods to the account, so every time that you want to purchase V-Bucks or Roblox Premium, you can automatically choose that saved payment method, which makes the process go by quicker. So all that you have to do is visit the Roblox.com website or go over to the mobile app and sign into the account that has the payment method registered. Once you sign into the account, go over to the settings, click on settings once again, and then at the left side of the screen, go to payment methods. So on the menu at the left, you will be able to access payment methods. As you can see on my account, I do not have any saved payment methods, but if you do, you will be able to find them on this list. If you click add or you click the option to change or remove any of the payment methods, you will be able to manage them. So first, if you choose add, you will be able to register a credit or debit card, so you can include the full card number, the expiration date, and the security code. You can include the billing email and then the address, including full name, country or region, and address. By saving this, the payment method is going to appear under the saved payment methods, and like I said, you can manage it at any time. Once this is done, you will be able to remove it and register new ones. The next time that you choose to buy Robux or Roblox Premium and you proceed to checkout, you will have the option to choose from that saved payment method. It is extremely simple and you will be able to browse through all of the payment methods available. You can register multiple payment methods and you shouldn't have an issue using them as soon as you add them to the payment methods available in your Roblox account. You will be able to purchase Robux, Roblox Premium, and anything that is available on the store. You just need to make sure that you included the necessary details to save the payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to change bank account on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.